For today's haul, I'm gonna share with you guys a TJ Maxx haul, I believe. Yeah, there's some things from Home Goods, but half of the TJ Maxx haul is actually from Denver, Colorado, and then the other part is here from home. I live in Dallas, Texas, for those of you that don't know. And I had to actually buy carry-on luggage just so that I could get these things home. Like, you're just gonna look at me and think, I don't know what you're gonna think. I just couldn't stomach not taking these home with me. So, and I forgot to bring the luggage up here with me, but it's in my closet. Got the luggage too. But yeah, let me just show you. You're not gonna be surprised. I wish there was an element of surprise here, but not. So let's dive into it. Found this cute, beautiful Santa mug. I love that, like, that's supposed to be his hat with a little ball at the end. This is by, what brand is this? Merry and Bright, another one of like my favorite mug brands next to Lang. Super cute. Merry and Bright, they're also the ones that did the nutcrackers. I have one version of the nutcracker. I know there's a second version out where he's got like sprinkles on his head. I've been trying to find that one, but I can't. But I found Santa, so I had to get it. Here is Lang. Lang is my favorite. Love when they do the polka dots. I don't know why I assume it's a guy. It's most likely not. But yeah, love the pink Santa. Who knew that I was going to really gravitate towards pink, because I'm not a pink person in the slightest. I wanted to redo my Christmas mugs this year. I have a lot that I'm getting rid of, at least half of my previous collection. So a lot of these new mugs you've been seeing me haul is really me finally figuring out exactly what mugs I love. And then this one, it's so simple and so cute, but I love how clean it kind of looks. There's no like writing on it. I love the soft pink trim at the top, and then the little pink trees. This is by Peppermint and Pine, another great Christmas brand. $4.99 for this one, $5.99 for this one, $5.99 for this one. And then I saw this beauty, this little snowy gingerbread village on both sides. There's these like sweet little dots. Do you see those? So freaking adorable. Here's the little town. These sweetest little pink and brown gingerbread houses. Pink trim here, pink handle, also by Peppermint and Pine, $4.99. Are you kidding me? Couldn't believe it. This is actually the one item that I said I'm gonna need another luggage, because I knew I was going to use a lot of like room to protect this purchase. But when I tell you there was no way, respectfully, that I was gonna leave Denver without these. The Anthropologie dupe glasses, even Crate & Barrel does it. I really don't know who the original like creator was of these. Was it Anthropologie? I don't know. If you know, comment and let us know the origin of the icon glasses, but I found the gingerbread men. I would have loved, honestly, if I could have just gotten one. I don't actually want dupes to my glasses. I just want one. But whenever Micah like moves out on her own, I'm gonna give her like the dupes that I have. But really, I'm just good with one. But the little gingerbread, I have been hunting for these and hoping and praying I was gonna find them, and Denver didn't let me down. $12.99 for the two. Then I found this version, also in Denver, so I had to make sure it was nice and wrapped. And look, it all arrived not broken. I'm just so shocked. But the little black bows with the black trim. This is not for Christmas time. I just love collecting these icon glasses. $5.99 for just one, and that's all I wanted. They had multiples. I just wanted one. So I thought the little black bow was super cute. I think this will be like a Halloween edition for me. So there's that. Okay, what else? What else actually came from Denver? I think all of this as well. I found the sweetest little gift tags. These have like a shaker card in it, $3.99. I mean, I am pretty pleased with that price range. You get 8 shaker cards in here. So thought that was super adorable. I also found this little like champagne rosé or whatever this is version with the little sequins, $4.99 for these, and you only get 3. Got another one of those. And then I found a little Santa version. Look at that, the sequins in his beard, super cute, $3.99, and you get 8 in there. Then I picked up these little gift tags. I just thought they looked so vintage, and I could use these for a multitude of things for myself. Gift giving, junk journaling. It's just so cute. I could send it out in the mail. I mean, I guess not. They're more gift tags, but I was thinking of them like as Christmas cards, but they're super cute. So I got those, and then I got this version, the little vintage Santa. And just so you can see what the tag looks like in the back, just a standard to and from, $4.99 for that. Then I found the little gingerbread notepad and pen set. I thought he was really cute. I like how plain they kept him, and they just added like white and red icing. That's super cute to me. So $3.99 for him. And then I found these really pretty little vintage napkins. Napkins are such an underrated, very adorable way to junk journal. So these were $2.99 each, and you get 40 napkins. I'm already starting to see a lot of the adorable napkins here in my area gone. Also found some more really adorable little tags. These are also, again, just interchangeable for me. I can junk journal with them. I can use them for like, you know, the Christmas presents under the tree kind of thing. This box was $5.99, and you get 16 tags. I really liked the like soft pinks and the mint green. I thought they were really, really pretty. So obviously got those. And then I got 2 boxes of this Santa, $3.99 for this whole box, and you get 20 tags. And look how cute he is. So I went ahead, at that point when I realized, it really, honestly, it really came down to this. When I saw this, I was like, I gotta make sure I get that home. So when I realized I was gonna have luggage for it, I was like, well, I got room now. So I guess I just went to town on these things. Now, I also picked up a little bracelet for myself. It's a little tennis bracelet. I'm honestly just gonna put it under the tree or in a stocking for me. And it was $12.99, and it's a little tennis bracelet, but it has an initial charm on it. Of course, I get a lot of M's, I get a lot of L's, Loxy, Loki, Micah, but yeah, so I thought it was super cute, and I love a good tennis bracelet, especially someone like me where you're more on the basic, I don't know if you want to call it basic, but I'm basic athleisure wear, maybe a lot of like neutrals. Something about a little tennis bracelet really goes a long way on my wrist that I think, I don't know how to describe it. It gives it that little extra pop of femininity, and I really like it. So I got that. Then I found these ornaments, and this is where I'm telling you, I kicked myself all the way back home to Dallas, because when I popped in to this TJ Maxx, I kind of went in pretty quickly. I didn't even grab a cart. And actually, this is a long story. Some of these things were Home Goods, actually, Denver, and some of them were TJ Maxx. And when I popped into the Home Goods, I found this guy. And at that moment in my head, I'm like, I'll find room in my luggage. I'll find it. I went back to my hotel, I did not find it. So then I was like, oh, well, my flight got canceled. So I'm like, okay, let me hit up another Dollar Tree, let me go to a TJ Maxx, see what happens. And that's when I was like, I'm just gonna get more luggage. So that's how that happened. But back at Home Goods, I was rushing. And cause in my head and that thought process, I was just like, I don't have room in my luggage, especially since it was cold, it was snowing. I packed very bulky. But anyways, you wanna see the ornaments. Let me show you the ornaments. She didn't wrap them and I didn't ask for it, so I got tissue from my hotel room to wrap them. But look at who I found. Miss Sophia from Golden Girls for $3.99. I wasn't leaving without her, and I've done a little digging on this ornament by Cody somebody. It's going for like $25. So the part you're wondering, well, why are you kicking yourself? That's because I found Sophia. And then I found Blanche. I don't know why Blanche looks like a linebacker, but that's not neither here nor there. But also $3.99. The part that I'm kicking myself is my brain was kind of in like such a hurry that, and I don't know why, I had nowhere to be, that I didn't look for Dorothy or Rose. So now I'm just thinking to myself, unless I bite the bullet and buy them for $25 each, I'll probably never get my hands on Dorothy or Rose for $3.99. And I'm just one of those people where I do prefer to treasure hunt. Could I get Dorothy and Rose right now if I wanted to for that price? Yes. Do I want to? No. Like, I want to find them, I want them, but I want them for $3.99. Like, they have to be in my tree. So anyways, all right, there's that weird long explanation. Okay, let me show you guys the rest of my finds, but from Dallas. Now, I don't even know how I'm saying this right now, but you guys sold me out again on my Christmas blind date with a book. And I literally basically put the same amount of quantity of books, like around 150 books. So that's over 300 books that I have sold for my Christmas blind date with a book. I was not expecting that in the slightest. So much so that when I was prepping for my first release, I only bought what I thought would, you know, target that 150. So when y'all sold me out in a day, I was like, okay, well, let me do another release of 150 and maybe that will stretch into December. Nope, that's gone too now. So anyways, I'm having to prep for the way I'm wrapping these books. So I picked up this cute wrapping paper with the red bow, $9.99 for her. And then I got another one of the vintage prints, and oops. And then look at these sweet little finds right here, the pink. Now these, I think, might be my very last release. I might do 50 more books. I don't know yet, stay tuned for that. If I do, I'm gonna use this wrapping for it. So the little peppermints are so adorable, $3.99 and $3.99. However, these don't have very much wrapping paper. So there's that to consider. All right. From Home Goods, Dallas, I picked up these red napkins, $14.99. I'll throw up a picture of my inspiration. I wanted to do something like this in my round kitchen table. But obviously with my color plaid, not the tartan. So I got the red napkins, and then I got this pet hair remover. It's like a lint roller, but it's like super, super sticky. It was $6.99. So I got this. I can't find my Chom Chom roller. I need to buy one, I guess, again. So I need to hop on Amazon. Then I found this. It's a cake pan, but look at what it makes. A little freaking gingerbread house. And you actually make two different gingerbread houses from one pan, which is so amazing. But your bread or whatever comes out looking like this. Obviously not with the icing and the decorations, just the shape. And it was $19.99. I thought that was just too stinking adorable, so I got it. These next items, I would say run to HomeGoods. I think they're such an amazing find. And they are cocoa latte toppers. That's what they're calling them. So I got the little gingerbread man and this like brown sugar on top. And how much are these? $3.99. These are gonna be so adorable in a hot cocoa bar coffee station. And then this one, it's like marshmallowy, like a little blue town, winter wonderland town. And I think that's so freaking adorable. I only got one package of each. I don't think I need more than that, to be honest. So I got that, and that's it from HomeGoods. I feel like I'm already starting to see my HomeGoods going kaputs for the holidays. Even though I saw a sign, I'm gonna wrap these ornaments real quick. Even though I saw a sign out the window that says that they're gonna be bringing in gifts until Christmas Eve. So I guess that's what HomeGoods is doing, is they're constantly gonna have stuff coming in. I don't know if it's just cause Texas or Dallas is so overpopulated now. We've really had a massive change since COVID. So I just feel like I've definitely seen the population just boost so bad, and maybe that's why. Maybe things are just getting, you know, there's just a lot of people, and the HomeGoods here maybe can't keep up with all of that. I don't know. I can tell you that I still felt like there was a stark difference between what I saw in Denver, HomeGoods and TJ Maxx, to what I saw here. Maybe it has nothing to do with population. I don't know, but there was a big difference. I'll say that. Anyways, so there's that. Then I popped into TJ Maxx and I went a little haywire on more tags. I don't know what's happening to me right now. $3.99 for these little like sticker tags. I like the blue. Picked up these tags, which, were they like the other ones? Most likely. These were $3.99. Super cute. And then I picked up these little nutcracker ones. I think I got these last year. Also $3.99. Love that they're round. Look at these sweet ones. I am really loving pink. $3.99. I found these. I think these are like little paper ones that you like pop out. They're $4.99. Have more of a traditional look to it. I'm just kind of like, it's hard because this is like in the way. So I got that. And then I got this one. There's that blue I was looking for. I think these tags will be really cute under my blue glass ornament tree. Then I got these. I just couldn't resist. I'm definitely gonna junk journal with these. I think I'm gonna like kind of hoard them. $4.99. Maybe some of you will get these in the blind date with a book, so I might do that. Then I got these vintage Santa cards. Again, junk journaling. I just love the look of this like vintage illustration. $5.99 for that. I got 2 of the little candy canes. And then I got these little bow gift tags. You get 16 in here for $3.99. And I believe that's it. That is my entire haul. I think that there's a mug situation going on in my brain. I literally had to buy luggage so I could bring them home. That might be slightly over the top, but they're here now, so I might as well enjoy them. And that's my haul for today. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.